Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another vlog. That's right. I'm on my little baby 620, and this baby got her groove back. The fuel pump wiring was wonky bonky, but we are back. Just like baby Jesus meant it to be. And it's a chilly morning. It's like 30 some degrees. It's like 32 degrees. It was supposed to be 50 today. At this point in the day, it's supposed to be 40 plus already. And I'll tell you half a thing. It is not 40 plus. It is entirely too cold. It's 30 plus. It's 32. The problem with this bike is, like, even right now with the new fuel wire and everything, like, I don't particularly trust this bitch no more. You know, this bike needs love, and I'm happy to say that pretty soon this bike is gonna get love. Like I mentioned before, I already got a new motor for it. I got a new wiring harness. I got a couple of bits. I'm gonna replace all the hoses, a bunch of bearings, a few things. Damn, it's a cold day, and it's wet too. It's a cold, wet day. Cold, wet day. Ooh, look at that donk. I like that donk. Badonk. I like it a lot. Mikey likey. So yeah, I'm gonna, cause I have a Dirty Billy. The Dirty Billy garage is the garage that I go to, obviously, and I have a membership there, but only to work there. I don't actually park there, but I'm about to change that for like 3-4 months, because this baby is gonna get work done. This baby is gonna get massaged. I'm not doing a frame off. That's dope, by the way. Yeah. I'm not doing a frame off. I'm not doing any sort of, like, you know, silly shit. I'm just doing a new motor and a couple of little fixes here and there. Couple of little adjustments, a little bit of a repair. It is unfortunate that the pin lock on my helmet is not pin locking. Ooh, not gonna make it. Is I is not. Oh gosh, what a place, what a town, what a beautiful place. So yeah, I got big plans for this thing. The suspension is fine, but this motor, man, this motor is just like, it's just like caked over with grease, and it's just like, yes, I could probably rebuild it, I could probably do this and that, and I will. Like, once I pop in the new motor, I'm actually going to take this one apart and clean it up and do all sorts of shit, you know. We'll see, one thing at a time. We shall take a look at it when the time arises, but for now, I'll just plug in a new one. Yeah, I was gonna go for a cruise. I was gonna go to Manhattan. I was gonna, like, nerd out, because today's supposed to be 50 degrees. I guarantee you it's not 50 degrees. There's no way right now or today will be 50 degrees. I just don't think it will. the speed camera. And look, the wind is fucking brutal too. The whole thing is rotten. Yeah. I just wanted to pop out because like it's been a while since I made some fresh vloggies, and long overdue, right? And freaking today is just not the day. Today is just not the day because I'm literally like shivering. This shit is getting to the bottom of me. Oh wait, I got heated gloves. Fuck, I forgot about that. Boom, boom. Hold on, let me pull over right here and turn on my gloves. Even my toes are getting cold. Fucking A. Look at this. There we go. Iron Gia's, baby. There we go. The heat is on. The heat is on. The heat is on. The heat is on. I love this hotel. I need to go to this hotel here. Apparently on the rooftop you can have some beers. I do want a burger. That's where I went for my knee PT. Knee PT. My knee PT. My knee PT. Creed 3. Frickin' trash baby. Trash baby. Oh boy, I don't got time for this shit. Y'all boys are... Come on. Go ahead. Sorry for being such a Momo bird. Sorry for being such a Momo bird. Sorry for running everything. Sorry for ruining your dream. Lick and fuck. Shut up, all ja. Dee 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 dee. Do 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 do. Ding dong, the witch is dead, the witch is dead, the witch is dead. Ding dong, the witch is dead, the witch is dead, dead, dead. Are you turning? No. There we go. Alright. Alright. Oh, it's too cold. You know what? It's entirely too cold for a joyride. It's entirely too cold to be hanging out. Yeah, amateurs. Oh, I was gonna live in that building there. That could have been fun. Ooh, look at that truck. Oh boy, look at that weed dispensary right there. Best Buds dispensary, bro. Yo, you want to get some weed and get stoned on the weed, man? Yo, I thought you'd never ask, man. Yo, you know what? I'll tell you honestly, like I do smoke the weed sometimes, but when I smoke it, I smoke that good shit. I smoke the shit from like, what do you call it? Go ahead, ma'am, you got this. I smoke the shit that my friend grows, or like real shit. I don't like, if this shit comes in like a fucking colorful plastic ass bag, you know, like forget that. I'm not smoking that shit. I want my weeds to be like organic and artesian, you know. Oh, there's no L train today. Oh, what a beautiful day. Look at these. That dude's got a plate. Is he gonna run the red light with the plate? Dick and balls. Good for him. No fucks given. Look at them. They're all just like fucking like YOLO swagging. Nice. Yeah. Nice. 4. Hello. Everybody got plates. It's a race now. know his fingers are cold. I gotta fix my pin lock though. This shit is trash. Trash ass boy. I fucking smoked that car. Alright, I'm gonna take a little left here. This is fine. This is okay. This is alright. So, what else can I tell you? Not much, man. I'm just happy to be back on the bike. I'm happy to be vlogging again. I'm just happy. There's a few, you know, few issues here and there. But overall, things are okay. Oh my goodness. V is it? Look at this place. Look at this fucking asshole. Like, why would you stop right there, you banana? You fucking banana. It's okay. We'll get around them. Everybody's cold. I just know they're fucking cold. And I know they're not wearing thermals. Nice place to fucking stop, you douche nozzle. I'm swearing so much. Sorry, everybody. I don't mean to be gushing in hate, but I'm just a cranky boy. Plus, Ducati hate. Ducati sucks, right? I would never buy a Ducati. I would never buy a Ducati. I'm losing it. You know why? Because I think like I had too much coffee and no food. So I'm kind of like fired up. I'm a little bit fired up, I gotta admit. What the fuck? And I really thought it was gonna be a lot warmer than this. But it ain't. So I might just go home and go to the gym. I've been hitting the gym lately. Come on. Yeah, might just go to the gym and call it a freaking day. Relax. It's a little too gray, a little too cold. The best bike ever. Screw the haters, bro. Screw the fucking haters. This bike is a dream. This bike is a dance. This bike is the shit. Ooh, watch out, sir. Anyway, there was actually a car accident on my block earlier today. Somebody lost control. Alright, long story short, I'll talk to you later. I'm gonna see actually where the accident happened. I'm actually gonna go to the left and investigate. Look. So weird. I don't understand how it happened. Like, see all those parts on the ground right there? I don't understand. What the fuck happened? And how? Look at all that shit. Madness. Madness. Whatever. Alright, now we gotta go around the block just because I wanted to look at some debris. You got this, bro. Alright, well, I'll talk to you guys later, alright? Everybody ride safe. Enjoy the beautiful day. Bye.